Welcome back to Joy with Daily News. I'm Jenna and hope you had a great holiday. We are back with the latest news on the steel industry. The largest Indian stainless steel manufacturer, Jindal Stainless Steel, on May 1st announced a three-pronged investment strategy worth 5,400 rupee crore as part of its objective to attain global leadership in stainless steel. The company informed the exchange. As part of the company's expansion strategy, the steel manufacturer entered into a joint venture for the development and operation of a stainless steel melt shop in Indonesia, with an annual production capacity of 1.2 million tons per annum. Jindal Stainless Steel plans to invest 700 rupee crore in this partnership, which the company says would increase its melting capacity by over 40% to 4.2 MTPA. Jindal Stainless Steel also announced investment of 1,900 rupees crore for expansion of its downstream line in Jaipur, Odisha, with an aim to increase its melting capacity. Moreover, the company earmarked 1,450 rupee crore for association upgradation of infrastructural facilities such as railway seating, sustainability-related projects, and renewable energy generation. Additionally, the company said it could acquire 54% equity stake for Crore Steel Private Limited, which owns 0.6 MTPA cold rolling mill located in Mandra, Gujarat, through a structured indirect acquisition deal. According to a report, Taiwanese steel mill USCO recently adjusted product price for domestic and foreign sales in May. Some market participants state that the market's performance after USCO announcement has affected the steel mills that have not yet launched the latest price, while the market still needs time to digest the price increase. China's steel mills recently rang in its May the 1st holiday, and the European Union is set to finalize an anti-circumvention investigation into Indonesia on May 11. This development has impacted the market's purchasing atmosphere, and clarity in the overall markets may only be achieved once the holidays are over. Lihwa, a stainless steel wire rod and cable produced in Taiwan, announced stainless steel wire rod price for May. Among them, 300 series price increased by 7,000 Taiwanese dollars per ton. The surcharge of 316 and copper content and weld products was raised by 1,000 Taiwanese dollars to 3,000 Taiwanese dollars per ton. Besides, the price for the 200 series increased by 2,000 Taiwanese dollars per ton, and the 400 series remained unchanged. Walsin Lihwa indicated that nickel, molybdenum, and copper price keep increase. Also, Taiwanese dollar depreciation caused manufacturing costs to increase greatly. In addition, Taiwan's Tire Index of Business Climate and grew for 4 consecutive months, which shows the market is gradually recovering. Tang Iron Watch Co. Ltd., one of the Taiwan's main stainless steel manufacturers, maintained an individual negotiation method for May price to customer. The company has adopted the method since May 2023. However, the market participants said that referencing USCO raised 304 product price for May by 4,000 Taiwanese per ton. Tang was expected to follow USCO trend. In the past months, international nickel prices have surged sharply, with a nearly 50% increase in a single month. London Metal Exchange nickel price shot from around $6,600 per ton on April 1st to briefly reaching $19,700 on April 22nd. In late April, market participants said that Chinese National Food and Strategic Reserve Administration had increased its reserves of nickel pig ore. Additionally, with the US and the UK imposed new sanctions on Russia, prohibiting the London Metal Exchange and the Chicago Mercantile Exchange from accepting newly manufactured aluminum, copper, and steel and nickel from Russia, LME nickel price briefly reaching $19,000 per ton. This development has driven stainless steel price with the possibility of a price increase in May. Australian BHP Group is considering making an improved offer for British Anglo American after its $39 billion. Initially, proposal was rejected by the London-listed miner. A source familiar with the matter told Reuters, BHP is in discussion on a revised bid for Anglo American to be made in coming weeks. The source says the deliberations are ongoing and the group has not yet made a decision on the size and structure of the new proposal, the source added. Indonesian's core company PT Harum Energy is looking to buy more nickel mines as it cases further investment on fossil fuel in order to prepare for the energy transition. The miner plans to avoid further spending in its core operation beyond the level required to sustain current output. The firm has bought stake in 3 nickel processing plants and is waiting in initial public offering of the units once the markets improve. It's expected nickel to account for half of its revenue by the end of this year, from just over 10% in 2023. According to statistics from Japan Customs in March, Japan's scrap exports were about 516,000 tons, dropped by 10.4% from the same year a year ago. In the first 3 months of this year, a country's scrap export totaled about 1.6 million tons, a year-on-year decrease of 4.6%. Among them, the export to Vietnam were about 684,000 tons, hiking by 48.1% year-on-year. Besides, other export destinations include South Korea, decreasing by 38% year-on-year to about 470,000 tons, and Taiwan increased by 28.8% year-on-year to about 141,000 tons. Feng Hsin Steel Co. Ltd., a Taiwan-based company principal engaged in manufacturing, processing, and trading steel products, declared its production price for this week. The rebar, scrap, and section steel price will keep flat at 19,700 Taiwanese per ton, and 11,100 Taiwanese per ton, and 26,700 Taiwanese per ton, respectively. The price of Japan's actual scrap decreased to $361 per ton, and the US containerized scrap kept flat at $363 per ton. Australian iron ore price increased from $116.9 per ton to $118.1 per ton. You have just heard the latest news around the globe. Thank you for being with us. Goodbye.